Paniguradong mai-inspire tayo sa ating mga guests for today dahil makakasama natin sina Cassandra Imperial, tour manager and soprano member at Calvin Capacete, president, assistant conductor and bass member mula sa the University of the Philippines Concert Chorus para bigyan tayo ng mga impormasyon tungkol sa kanilang nalalapit na concert. Good morning sa inyo, Calvin at Cassandra.
Good morning!
Hello, good morning po at sa mga nanonood ng Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po.
Okay, alright. Bago po ang lahat, congratulations po pala sa inyong mga nakuhang awards sa Musica Orbis Prague Festival. Kayo po ang kauna-unahang Pinoy na lumahok sa nasabing festival. Pwede niyo po bang i-share sa amin, ikwento niyo yung inyong naging journey?
Sige po, unang-una isang karangalan po na makasali kami ang UP Concert Chorus dito sa Musica Orbis Prague Festival and Competition. Unang-una to represent ang ating bansa at i-share ang ating musika at kultura sa pamamagitan ng mga awit na aming kinanta. Share ko lang yung experience din na napakasaya is pagdating namin talagang na-excite yung mga audience, yung ibang mga choirs dahil they're from the Philippines. Talagang nilook forward nila na marinig yung music natin.
How about you, Cassandra?
Yes, very same yung experience namin ni Calvin na when you get there, you already know na may sense of pride na they're looking at the Philippine choral community. So very exciting siya because we get to share our music and hindi lang yun, pero narinig din namin yung music ng iba't ibang countries and yung mga choral groups na sumali rin sa festival and competition.
Excited yung ibang lahi no, na kapag Filipino. So, ang taas ng expectation kapag choir mula sa Pilipinas.
Alam nila kasi, likas na magagaling tayo kumanta, no? Marami na talagang mga Pinoy or mga Filipino na very well known when it comes to music. Ito naman, given that experience, nakasama rin kayo sa iba't iba pang mga concert tour tulad na lang ng Musika Dasig, an international goodwill and cultural concert. Ano yung mga experience ninyo kasama yung iba pang koral ng ibang bansa? Of course, nandyan yung iba't ibang culture differences, no? Kamusta yung experience ninyo, Calvin?
Yes. So, it was very fruitful and fulfilling experience actually. So, a month and a half, we were able to sing for 5 different countries. No? Then aside from Musica Orbis na ginawa sa Prague, yung tour ay nag-start actually sa Netherlands kasi in-invite kami ni Ambassador J. Eduardo Malaya and the Philippine Embassy sa The Hague. So we were there, we were the first Filipino choir to perform at Leiden University in The Hague. And then we had a successful concert at an invitation-only event for members of diplomatic corps and the business community in commemoration of the 126th anniversary of the proclamation of the Philippine independence and the 125th anniversary of the Permanent Court of Arbitration. Doon. So very naging meaningful actually yung aming stay dun sa unang lapad namin kasi talagang nirepresent natin ang ating bansa.
Grabe, Pinoy pride.
Okay, yeah, so we also perform for the different Philippine and local communities of the countries in Germany, in Italy, in Switzerland, and of course in Czech Republic where we had the festival and competition.
Pero ito yung matindi dyan mga kababayan. Dahil sila, Meiji, nag-practice sila online nung panahon ng pandemic. So, syempre, iba yung naririnig mong natural voice mo sa personal, iba yung naka-microphone online.
Saka yung performance level mo, di ba, yung energy, iba rin yun online and in person.
So, paano po yung ginawa ninyong routine para ma-perfect yung masterpiece ng choral?
Okay, so mid-pandemic noon, nag-decide kami na kailangan natin mag-resume na ng rehearsals kasi hinahanap na ng ating sistema yung pag-awit no? Lalo na't ganun din ang sitwasyon. So ang ginawa namin, nag-rehearse kami through Zoom. Si Ma'am Jai, Professor Jai Aracama, ang aming conductor, siya ang naka-unmute. The rest ay naka-mute and Ma'am Jai will use the piano to play the pieces, explain, vocalize, give workshops. So doon na-train kami, and then by trust, si Ma'am Jai ay merong 4 na trusted people na sila naman yung mag-make sure na per section ay nakuha namin ng tama. And then what will happen is magre-record kami individually sa aming mga bahay, ise-send namin at saka namin pagtatagpi-tagpiin yung mga tracks na yon na magpo-form ng virtual choir na tinatawag. So yun yung naging aming routine during the pandemic.
Malaki yung shift actually from the virtual to the face-to-face. So, isang transition din yun sa amin. So, even though na-perfect na namin yung virtual, syempre going back to face-to-face, we had to change everything and adjust ulit.
Yes.
So, talagang si Professor Jai, she really encouraged us to use the true sound of acoustic choral music. Kaya natupad rin itong tour namin kasi she really wanted to express that this batch has to see the world because yung fulfillment of choral music is different pag together in one room as opposed yung sa virtual natin.
Oo, given that world-class talent, for sure marami na rin po kayong mga awards na nakuha, no? Can you share what are those mula ang nakuha nyo nung nakaraang Musica Orbis Prague Festival?
Sige. So, we joined 2 categories for the competition. Yung first category is unrestricted repertoire, and we were also the overall category winner, and we won gold for that category. For folklore, we also won gold in the category, and then we got a special prize for best stage performance.
Okay, meron kayong parating na concert, ano? Ito yung magaganap sa August 2. At ito yung Clarion Sounding the Call for Climate Action. Ano po ba yung mga dapat naming abangan sa concert na ito at paano sila makakabili ng ticket?
Yes, so magkakaroon po ng concert ang UP Concert Chorus in partnership with UP School of Economics. No? Ang title nito ay Clarion at ito ay sa August 2, 6 p.m. sa University of the Philippines School of Economics Auditorium. So makakabili po kayo ng tickets sa kanilang Facebook page, School of Economics. Ganon din sa Facebook page ng UP Concert Chorus.
Oo, napapanahon yan, no, na usaping about climate change kasi nga ito itong nakaraan na naranasan natin itong habagat at bagyo. Kaya mga manonood, if interested, and ako very interested ako na panoorin niyang nalalapit ninyong concert. Ano naman ang advice na mabibigay nyo sa mga nagnanais na maging mga awit din or tulad ninyo balang araw?
Yung gusto sumali sa mga choir, no?
Oo.
Ano yung advice niyo po sa mga gustong maging group singer?
Oo. Cassandra?
We hope that the UPCC can serve as an inspiration to different singers, musicians, and of course sa mga korista. Your voice can take you very far. Kami nga, nakaabot kami ng Europe and different countries. So sana when you perform, it's not just about singing, but also using it as a venue to share music. Like yung concert po namin na we can use it to spread different messages and help different communities.
Ayan, si Meiji pwede eh.
Oo, parang na-inspire ako, pero
Sasama
parang...
ka sa Prague.
Oo nga sana, no? Pero baka may borderline yung pagiging talentado at ambisyosa.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo, Sir Calvin at Cassandra. At kami excited na para sa darating ninyong concert.
Yes.
At syempre, kami po proud sa inyo bilang pagrepresenta sa ating bansa dyan sa Prague, no?
Yes, sa Europe. Maraming salamat, Cassandra and Calvin.